In today's video from Casio Help, we're going to show you how to do a quick master reset on the SES400 model. This reset won't affect the sales totals or the programming, but it will clear a lockup on the machine. So if you've got an error message coming up and you can't use the register, whatever the error message is, you can basically do this clear and it should get rid of the error message and let you use the register again. So the first thing to do is to turn the key to the off position. Then press and hold down the feed button and then turn the key round to PGM. Release the feed button, press subtotal, the machine will go through the clear of the lockup, print a little receipt out, and then it'll be ready to use in the PGM. So if you want to put a sale through, key back to reg. For more information on using the SES400 and other Casio cash registers, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit casiohelp.co.uk. Thanks for watching.